There are three main ways to create documents in Keyfile Workspace. Firstly, by using a template given to you by your administrator directly through the Keyfile Workspace. Secondly, by saving a document directly from a tool such as Word for Windows using ODMA, Open Document Management Architecture. This is a standard feature of Windows and can be set up by your administrator. The third way is to drag and drop directly from Windows into the Keyfile Workspace, either from your desktop, from Windows Explorer, or from an email attachment. I'm going to go through each of these in turn. Firstly, creating a document from template in your Keyfile Workspace. Click with your right mouse on a white space on the desktop. Then select New from the context menu. You'll be presented with any templates the administrator has given to you. I'm going to create a new memo. Straight away I'm offered the fields of title, person, date and type to modify, and I press OK. The memo is now available for me on my desktop to view and modify. I'm going to show you this later on. The second way is to go to a product such as Word and use ODMA, Open Document Management Architecture. Here I have a document which I've already created but haven't yet saved. Normally when I press save it will take me to the Windows file system, but because I've invoked ODMA it will take me to the Keyfile Workspace desktop. Let me show you. Notice here, instead of having the file system, I have the Keyfile desktop as my default save area, and I can save it in folders, baskets, or directly into a file cabinet. I give it a title and press save. I can give it extended index information on the standard Keyfile index form, title, person, date and type as normal. Pressing OK saves the document back to my workspace, and I see the object appear on my workspace desktop. Double clicking displays the document and also allows me to go back in and edit it later on. The third way is using drag and drop. Over here on my Windows desktop I have an Excel spreadsheet for an expense statement. It's already completed and I'm going to drag and drop it onto my Keyfile Workspace desktop. Straight away I'm offered the index form once again, which I can modify or not as I choose. Pressing OK saves it to the desktop. I can double click it to view it and also edit it later on. I said that you could drag and drop references already made to documents that are held within Keyfile that another user might have sent to you, or you have in a file room and a handy shortcut on your desktop. Here's a reference I made earlier, and I can drag and drop it onto my desktop and view it directly from within Keyfile. I also said that you could drag and drop attachments from emails. Here's an email I received earlier, and it has a PDF attachment. I can simply select this attachment and drag and drop it to my workspace environment. Notice how it picks up the email attachment title, which I can modify should I wish to. Pressing OK saves it back into the Keyfile Workspace environment, and I can also view it directly from the Keyfile Workspace.